There are many perennial plants that grow throughout Mississippi that may act as annuals in central and northern parts of the state. Today's Southern Gardening is at Rivers Greenhouse and Garden Center. Let's take a look at a couple of these gorgeous plants. Cassandra Orange Marmalade is sometimes called firecracker flower and absolutely thrives in our summer heat and humidity, but does not tolerate our cold winters. This easy-to-grow plant is a real attention grabber. The plant produces large clusters of frilly, bright orange flowers that are long-lasting. The foliage is bright green and really glossy. Because it's not cold hardy in Mississippi, Crossandra Orange Marmalade can be planted in the ground as an annual or grown in a container and brought inside to enjoy as a pretty houseplant during the winter. Golden yellow shrimp plant is another perennial plant that should be treated as an annual in most of Mississippi unless grown in a container and brought inside during the winter. It has yellow bracts followed by narrow tubular white flowers that are between 1 and 2 inches long. It's for the yellow bracts that we grow this plant, but the white flowers provide an additional surprise. Butterflies and hummingbirds find them irresistible. Consider trying any of these stunning plants in the landscape this year. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.